Hello friends, welcome to back my YouTube channel Trendy Pattern Design. In this video I will show you some cute handmade crochet baby western sweaters. These little sweaters are soft, warm and very comfortable for babies. Each crochet vest or sweaters is handmade, so every piece is unique. Every stitch is made with care, which make them special. There are many styles, some are simple, some have little patterns, button or decorations. Every design is lovely in its own way. Color make them even nicer. Light color like pink, blue, yellow or charm look soft and gentle. Bright color make them fun and playful. Mixing color make the same more beautiful. These sweaters are perfect for daily wear or special occasions. They are soft on the baby's skin and keep the baby warm at the same time. Handmade crochet baby cloth also make great gift. They are thoughtful, unique and parents always love them. If you like any design in this video, you can tell me in the comment box. You can also order the same design from me if you want. So if you want something cute, soft and handmade for your baby, crochet sweaters are a perfect choice. Don't forget to subscribe to Trendy Pattern Design for more crochet design. Press the bell icon button.